talent show. Pero every time I see all of them, I feel young again. Yeah. And I feel their passion, their desire. No? It's a very competitive world now. Much more competitive now. Kasi doon, sila no, kabila ng kompetensya ko or something. No? Iba na ngayon. Kailangan sing and dance kayo, no? Biggest dream, every time I think I just give it my best shot, and I know there's a very high ladder, and I go up one step at a time until I reach the top, and yun ang aking naging inspiration, and I'd like to pass it on to everyone here. We are all born to shine.
Yes, of course. Thank you so much, Tita Tessie. Next one.
Okay. Siguro may no way this could happen. Maybe I have so many. For so many years in the industry, I feel so blessed to do movies, albums, teleseries, theme songs, concerts abroad and here. Sabi ko, ano pa ba mga kulang ko? Parang, ano pa bang pwede kong gawin sa industry? Sabi ko, kulang ko is teatro. So, para sa akin, parang wow, no way this could happen na magta-teatro ako. So for me, from Broadway Centrum, Philippines, to Broadway in New York. For Here Lies Love, for me, that's like, no way this could ever happen. So for me, I guess the biggest is the longevity, because until now, I'm still here in the business, and I'm grateful and thankful that I'm still, they still believed in me, and I'm always given a good and quality projects, just like Born to Shine. Thank you. I'm grateful and thankful.
Yes, kay maayo man ka inda.
Salamat.
Yes, you are good sa akin ko.
God is good. God is good.
Yes, sa akin, yun, katulad ng sinabi nila Tita Tessie at ni Vina, sa akin naman, bawat achievement talagang ninanamnam ko. Kasi, yun nga imposible kasi para sa akin nung bata ako, lalo na nung nasa Cebu pa lang ako, na mangyari sa akin. To name a few, of course, yung unang pagpasok ko sa Annalisa, which aired here sa GMA Network, no? I played Dolit. Although, sa Cebu kasi nanonood lang ako kay Miss Julie Vega. Tapos umiyak ako pag umiyak siya. So sabi ng mga magulang ko, "Hoy, ano ka ba? Artista ka ba?" So sabi ko, isang araw makikita niyo ako dyan. Tapos and then it happened. So talagang no way, nangyari siya talaga. And then siguro yung isa is yung very first major concert ko sa Araneta Coliseum. Na nanonood ka lang din ng shows before, and then ikaw na yung pinanonood. Yeah, marami no? Kasi ilang years na rin naman talaga tayo, pero yun lang siguro, yung mga yun, and more. No way this could happen to me is also yung meron kang manalinians na from noon hanggang ngayon, nandyan pa rin. At hindi nagbabagong pagmamahal sa'yo. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you so much, Miss Manuel. Next po.
So ako naman, I started singing at the age of mga 7, 8 years old, and yung dream ko na yun, never ko na-imagine na magkakatotoo, no? So, it was such a surreal moment when I first heard my song being played on the radio. Parang, alam mo, parang ako ba talaga yun? Is that really me? So, I've been really blessed, no, in my career na nagkaroon ako ng mga magagandang awitin na until now, kinakanta pa rin. So, it's such a big dream for me na kahit matagal na siya na-release, no, way back 1990s. But my song, parte pa rin siya ng buhay ng bawat Pilipino. And that I really am grateful for that, no? To be able to be part of their lives, to be able to touch their lives through my music. So that's such a big dream for me. And of course, to be back here, sharing the same stage with all of these artists, di ba? Yung mga old and new nandito, magkakasama kami ngayon for this very worthy project, which is Born to Shine.
Thank you so much, Miss Rosel. Miss Tina.
Ikaw muna.
Ako din kasi, I started in showbiz when I was 9 years old. And my first single was yung Sana, na produce na kinumpose ni Florante. And then after ilang years, nakagawa ako ng movies. And then, I made this big hit na song na Tamis ng Unang Halik. And from there, ako po'y natutuwa dahil marami pa rin ang nakakaalala sa dalawang kantang nagpasikat sa akin. And thank you so much sa GMA dahil nagsimula ako dito sa That's Entertainment. Hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin ako. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Miss Tina. And of course, Sir Smokey.
Sir, do not call me sir. I'm not a teacher.
Copy po!
Dream. Yeah, no way this could happen to me. Gaya ng sinasabi nila, and I believe lahat ng artista, yun ang dream nila, is yung tumagal sa industriya. No way this could happen to me. I started when I was, ilan taong ka? 9? Ako 7. Ako 10 years old. Hanggang ngayon natutuwa ako kasi nabibigyan pa rin ako ng opportunity na mabigyan ng mga magagandang projects, especially Born to Shine at sa mga boss ng GMA. And ang nakakatuwa nito is, dati pa comedy lang ako. Pero, ngayon, pa comedy pa rin. Pero, hindi, huwag ka naman ganyan. Small things lang, ano ba? Small things lang yan. At saka, yun, I mean, nakakatuwa na ang daming generations ng mga artista ang nakakasama ko. At hanggang ngayon, ito naman yung mga bagong artista na sigurado akong sisikat. At sigurado akong malayo ang mararating nila. Thank you very much po.
Thank you so much
Thank you very much sa mga Smokians ko na nandito. Lahat sila. Lahat ng mga nakaupo dito sa front row. Mga Smokians.
Thank you so much. But we have another question for our veterans. Yes? How does it feel to bring that sense of nostalgia to a new generation through Born to Shine?
Miss Tessie Tomas.
Hindi ko siya na-naintindihan yung question. Really, pakitagalog.
Ano po yung pakiramdam na nakakapagdala po kayo ng feeling of nostalgia sa aming bagong henerasyon po?
Hindi maganda kasi parang tanda ko na to. Yun, yung nostalgia. Alam mo, actually, handa naman ako kahit malalaki pata ko. Pwede na ako mag-costume ng ganyan.
Tama po.
Ang regret ko dito, iniintay ko, akala ko may production number ako. Nag-voice lessons ako over the weekend. Kasi nakakakanta din ako. Born to... Hindi, itatabi ko muna kasi
Yes po.
I think magkakaroon tayo.
Anticipation po.
Nag-TikTok na kami ni Vina Morales.
Yes, okay. Noted.
Umpisa pa lang. Really, nostalgia, ewan ko kung ano, pero nagulat ako kasi itong nakita ko, parang makikita mo na rin sa Araneta Coliseum, parang mini show. And yet, concert na to, no? Parang ng panahon namin nung una, hindi naman ganito karamihan. At saka parang magastos ito. Kasi yung mga, yung mga brilyanting suot-suot, hindi ba? Mahal po lahat yan. So, really, I think, thank you, GMA, for, again, trusting me also, because I think this is just my second project in a long time for GMA. At talagang ina-excite ako ng musical, kaya iniintay ko, GMA, utang na loob, parang awa nila, pakantahin niyo rin ako. Nakakasayaw din po ako.
Yes.
Game na game po ako. Alam ng manager ko, si Ricky Gallardo, may boses ako. Thank you.
So we'll be waiting for a musical performance from Tita Tessie Tomas. And next po, from our veterans, the feeling of nostalgia po sa ating mga bagong henerasyon.
May sinasabi si Miss Tina.
No, for me, I'm grateful na nakasama ako dito sa Born to Shine. Dahil ito ay very special to me. Dahil hindi lang reliving the memories, pero we're sharing nostalgic sa mga new generation. Yan, basta if ever you have dreams, go for it. Love your passion, love your work, and then susunod na yan dyan. Susunod na yung swerte, sunod-sunod na yan. Basta mahalin nyo lang kasi you're born to shine.
Ayan, si Marilyn. Ayun, nakaka-happy na parang kami yung magiging bridge nung mga nakagisnan na, yung mga noon, kumbaga, papunta sa mga bago. Nakakatuwa lang na makita na nandyan sila. So parang ibabalik namin yung mga alam namin na hindi nila na-experience. May experience nila this time, pero with a twist. So kumbaga parang na siyang nostalgia. Ah, you learned a new word today. Nostalgia.
It feels really special to be a part of Born to Shine because yung Born to Shine kasi connects generations. And yung mga long-time viewers, para sa kanila, pag mapanood nila ito, syempre, it brings back memories. So ito namang mga baguhan natin ng mga new generations na manunood, yung mga, I think, ang ginagawa nila ni Direk kasi is yung story, it's almost the same. Kasi pangarap, di ba? Marami tayong nangangarap, but with a twist and with a fresh touch ng storya nila sa mga generations naman ngayon. Kaya nakaka-relate naman yung mga manunood na generation. So it's really for everybody. It's for family. So we're very lucky and we're blessed that we are a part of Born to Shine. Diba? Direct kayo ng bahala dyan.
Thank you so much po to our veterans. And next, we have this question for Olive, Naya, Gea, and Mitzi. So, was it really your dream of becoming a P-pop idol? And what do you